And good evening, everyone. Welcome to another JK Deal Reveal coming to you live. The Deal Butler. Hold on tight. We're going to have an amazing deal reveal for you this evening. And we're going to see what the Deal Butler clients do after they close their deals. So let's dance. All right, well, we're having some musical technical difficulties, but don't wait for tomorrow. Do now for that best life. So, today on the deal reveal, I am coming to you live from Parma, which is a southwestern suburb of Cleveland, Ohio. And we just celebrated at an amazing sushi restaurant called Watami, a revolving sushi restaurant where the plates keep on coming and you just pick what you want and you have an amazing time. We are celebrating the launch of our next short-term rental in Cleveland, Cleveland's best sports house, where every room of this Airbnb is a different Cleveland sports team. So we got the Cavs, right? The basketball Cavaliers. We got the Guardians playing baseball, and we have the Browns in football. So we got our sports house going, and we're super excited to launch as early as next week. So very, very exciting for that. Next, let's make sure that there we go. All right, we do have our very special guest speaker joining us today. Again, Jean-Francois is here, and let's make sure we're giving you all the permissions you need to share a few words with our deal revealers here this evening. All right, you should be good, Jean-Francois, to open up your camera and microphone if you so choose. So, hello and welcome to the deal reveal once again. Beautiful.
Hey, good
There he
evening.
is. How are we doing? I love that smile. Why are you smiling, Jean-Francois?
Oh, well, things going well.
Things are
Yes,
going on right. So for
yeah,
those who don't who didn't see Jean-Francois, Jean-Francois was on the deal reveal about a month ago, or was it 4 weeks ago, right around
yeah, about
there,
a month
right?
ago, yeah.
And at that point in time, you were celebrating your first deal in the US, and now you're coming back. So what's happening here? Why is Jean-Francois coming back so often on the deal reveal?
So I'm coming back for my second deal in the US. Uh,
Amazing, amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. So we closed the deal about 2 weeks ago, I think. So my second deal in the US, as I said, a deal in Cleveland. So quite happy about that.
How are you enjoying the Cleveland experience? The US is a big place, and of course, we've chosen Cleveland. You've chosen Cleveland. Is there a specific reason for that, or maybe for those who still haven't decided where they want to invest yet?
Well, there is two main reasons. The first one is cash flow. I think I'm looking comparing investing in Canada, where cash flow is almost non-existent now.
Yep.
Yeah, it's amazing the difference. And the second thing is the price as well. Like I'm well, that the property right now that we're talking about is about 45K that I've paid for it. Like for 45K, I don't think there's anything we can buy in Canada. Maybe a
Maybe a
shed.
good parking spot. Maybe a
Yeah,
good
a
parking
parking.
spot.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, that's fantastic. I know you were a little bit I don't know if you were busy tonight, but we won't take it on too long. Maybe if there's people in the audience might have a question or two for Jean-Francois. I think no, we've been doing this for quite a while, and even ourselves, we did not move as quick as Jean-Francois is moving right now. Two deals in basically 2 months. Are we going to keep on track a deal a month moving forward? Is that kind of the pace?
Uh, Well, it will be great. I think, yeah. Well, I also we have to do as well. So, like at the point, we'll have to slow down a bit and then make sure that things are going well in terms of rehab and all that, and
Of
getting
course.
some cash flow coming on. But yes, that's great. And like to be honest, it's because I kind of benefit from like all the benefit of the D Butler and the JK team and all that I was able to do that at that speed as well. Like if I was alone doing that, for sure I will have that done 2 deals in like 2 months, right?
Well, that's the point, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel yourself. There's other people who have been building systems and teams and leveraging into those, fast tracks results like well, the best way we know how. So that's fantastic. But did you want to share with? So yes, you do have your renovations to complete to make sure that finishes up. But there's something else that's in the works right now as well, right? Your next deal.
Well, yeah, in terms of next deal, so depending on what you're talking about, so if you're talking about, I guess some rehab and some of the flip, I guess you're talking about, right?
Mhm. Yeah,
Um,
absolutely.
yes, so that's something that looking at as well with you, what's possible to do in the future as in terms of yeah, flipping houses in Cleveland.
Flipping in Cleveland. Something that, the reason I'm bringing this up is because flipping in Cleveland is not something to be taken lightly. Like you mentioned, how you may not have gone this quickly without all the teams and systems. People can get enamored with the idea of flipping, but if they don't have the teams, like it's higher risk, higher reward in some sense, right? The margins, if you don't know what you're doing, disappear quickly when it comes to flips. So I want to take this as an opportunity to tell everybody listening in, if you're watching the HDTV and you think the U.S. is a great market, it might be, but just buyer beware when it comes for flips. And if you do it by yourself, make sure you do have a trusted team and a real solid trusted team backing you up on that. So very, very good. So I guess the crowd is a little shy today. No questions are coming in. So I guess now that you've got two closings under your belt, renovations are underway to optimize those investments, get them cash flowing, position them for a refinance so you can recycle your money. What's the best advice you can give people at this point in your journey, 1 month later from your last deal reveal?
Um, Well, I think from that perspective, like it's like, and I think I said that the last time as well, but it's like it's the idea of taking the opportunity when they are right, like not necessarily waiting and taking action as like when there's something you take action, and then that's when you have result at the end of the day, right?
And if I may, adding on that, when the Deal Butler first came up as a brainchild of mine, um, I was in the mastery call on the Thursday nights for our all you can learn members, and I was just saying, hey, what do you think about this? I was asking the question to the group, to the mastermind, and I says, hey, what do you think about this idea? I'm really thinking about it. I think it's a good thing. And Jean-Francois raised his hand immediately and he said, well, if you're looking for somebody,
Yeah,
and that's how
I
it
told you, yeah, a guinea pig. If you look for a guinea pig, like I'm ready to be the guinea pig.
absolutely. So Jean-Francois was the very first one. Since then, we've closed three, three or four Deal Butler deals. This week we're closing. Well, today we closed another one, so we might feature that next week. By it's either going to be Friday or early next week. We're closing two more, and there's another one Monday closing. All right, so that's how many deals are just flying off the shelves right now in Cleveland, and it's a very, very exciting time for Canadians investing in the U.S. So thank you, Jean-Francois. You being the guinea pig has opened the door to so many others to benefit from the opportunities in the U.S. And it's my true honor and privilege to be the gatekeeper to these opportunities. Truly, I have a lot of fun jumping in there and helping everyone get their cash flow.
Thanks a lot,
So
and yeah, it was really benefit for me. Like I was able to start that fast, right?
awesome, win-win. Well, that's what we want. We have a quick little question that came in here. Yeah, so I guess Isabel's asking we went over quickly. So Isabel's asking, so what is the second deal exactly, as much or as little as you want to give? And Elena's asking, what's the strategy? Is it Section 8? And are you planning to refinance after that renovation?
Yes. So the strategy, so it's so it's a cash buying right now. So the property was we closed at 45,000. There's a bit more rehab than expected, so about 27,000 in that range. The property, so it's in Cleveland. It's in Gwen. I forgot the name
Glenville,
of.
this one.
Yeah. Yes.
Yep.
Um, and yeah, so it's so the value after rehab is between 90 and 100K. So there's a bit of buffer there in terms of the value you can get. And then the rental, we'll do a Section 8 after, and we should be able to rent it for 1,400. So it's a four bedroom house, single family home. And yeah, the goal is we rehab, we rent it, and then we'll do a refinance and get back most of the money back.
I love it. I love it. The thumbs up are coming. Perfect. Congrats. Everyone loves that. For those of you who know Glenville, Glenville is one of those areas that has been improving. It's still street by street in Glenville, but a lot of money has been pouring into Glenville over the last couple of years and will continue. It's one of those opportunity zones. I do believe that that property will be worth over 100,000 very soon, if it not right now. Give it a couple of years. I do believe a four-bedroom that's nicely done with solid rents, will appraise over 100,000 comfortably in a couple of years. So not that it's speculating, because it is a good deal that we're buying at a discount with cash flow day one. The golden rules are satisfied right now, and it's in an area that I do believe over time is going to be a nice little pocket. So we buy now, right now, as the curve is happening, so that we take full advantage of that lift over time. So congratulations once again, Jean-Francois, from Nancy, and from Chica as well, and Vazoo. I love it. Well, excellent. Thank you so much, Jean-Francois, for coming here, showing people that it's possible, that people are doing it. And, well, we'll see you in another month, I guess.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Fantastic. Have a great evening. If there's anything at all, you just reach out. I'm here for you.
Thanks.
Absolutely. Beautiful. So that is our deal reveal for today, ladies and gentlemen, from Parma, with a belly full of sushi, a smile on our face, celebrating all the opportunities of U.S. real estate investing. So if anybody is interested in the deal Butler, just send us an email. We can walk you through what that looks like and to join the wait list. There's about 8 people, right around 8 people right now. 2 more got added in today. So if you're interested, join in. Otherwise, if you're still at the beginning of this journey and you're interested in the deal Butler, well, make sure to check out the All You Can Learn Pass. It is a requirement to join the deal Butler. Oh, and there we have Janie, full of sushi as well.
Yes, this is what we want.
Oh,
I'll
wonderful.
have it eaten on sushi.
Is that for 15 or for 45 plates?
Well, this is for 15.
Okay.
The other ones are worse.
Every 15 plates of sushi you eat, you get a gift. So we were 6 plates short, and we had to eat 6 more to get another gift. Let's show the other gift. Okay, I just learned what this is right now. That's the second gift, totally worth the 4 extra plates. And that's the last one. 45 plates later. Thank you. I appreciate that. Right on. Well, have a great one, everyone. Enjoy now for tomorrow, for the lifestyle you deserve. Take care, everyone.
Go get your miracle.